Characteristic of organic compound, first one was the composition, mainly contains carbon and it may also contains hydrogen, oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen and halogen. X means halogen, and catenation property is there. Carbon contains catenation property and it's poor conductive of electricity and it is very bad conductor. And complexity, most of the organic compounds form complexes also. And 5, combustibility, it is very combustible. We already know carbon compound is combustible. You know that any fuels, okay, petrol, diesel, like gasoline or LPG, all are combustible, easily combustible. So most of the organic compounds are combustible, that is reacts with oxygen, and melting and boiling point is very low. Okay, melting and boiling points of organic compound is very low. Okay, and that was point 7, isomerization. We know what is the isomer. Isomer is the same molecular formula but different structure of organic compound is also known as isomers. And আমরা বললাম that most of the isomers we already know about chain isomer, about positional isomer, reports functional group isomer, tautomerism and metamerism. But in this position, tautomerism, metamerism is more important, and there will be another isomer, cis-trans isomer and optical isomers. That means geometrical and optical isomers. There are so many things, and there will be another topic on stereoisomer, okay, in class 11 or in GOC. Solubility, most of the organic compound is insoluble in water, okay. Organic compounds water dissolve হয় না, you know, তেলে জলে মেশে না কখনো, okay. So most of the organic compound is insoluble in water, but they can soluble in organic solvent, okay. So most of the insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvents. And Arkodev, okay. Stability, carbon compound is stable, no problem, but most of the compound is very less stable because it is combustible, okay. But carbon triple bond is very stable, no problem. And about the basic or metallic compounds, in metallic situation, carbon triple bond can readily react, okay. Multiple bonds, they can form multiple bond, you know, multiple bond, carbon can form multiple bonds, that means triple bond, double bond, it can form. And linkage, what is the linkage? Carbon linkage is very important for organic compounds, and by this linkage they can form numerous number of organic compound, or covalent compound can form by linkage, okay. So covalent linkage is there. Polymerization, undergoes polymerization. Ethene gives polyethene, okay. Ethene gives polyethene, like this. So many styrene, butadiene form polyester, okay, like this. Rate of reaction, depending upon the reactivity of the compounds, rate of reaction varies. Covalent organic reaction are generally slow, okay. Organic compounds slowly react with another compound, okay. Order, have characteristic order for some compounds. If it is organic and it is aromatic, then aromatic organic compounds must have order, but aliphatic compounds may or may not have order, okay. So what is the aromatic compound and what is the aliphatic compounds? We are now discussing all our aliphatic compounds here. Carbon double bonds, single bond or chain like compound is all aliphatic compounds, and we'll discuss about the aromatic compound in a class, and which will be the aromatic and non-aromatic. It is very important for your JEE and other exams also, okay. Functional group, it is a part of the molecule or of characteristic. देखो, it is part of molecule or characteristic group of the molecules which largely determine properties of organic compounds. If COOH group is there, then it is known as carboxylic acid. CHO, this is aldehyde group. C double bond O, that is keto group. There are so many functional groups in organic chemistry. Homologous series. What was the homologous series? What was the homologous series? A class of compound in which successive members differ by CH2 group are called homologous series. That means if there is a methane and if it is ethane, it is propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane. So this is N, that's mean alkane, like methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane. That is a example. Okay, this is the example. So there are a series of compounds. Just CH2 is different. Okay, CH4, then C2H5. That's mean CH2 is the different. Okay, so a class of compound in which successive member differs by only CH2 group are called homologous, and the series of compound is called homologous series. Now this is a alkane series. Classification of organic compound based on the structure. Based on the structure. So classification of organic compounds based on the structure. Is there anything changed? Oh. Something is changed, yes? Hello? শুনতে পাচ্ছ?
হ্যাঁ স্যার বলো।
হ্যাঁ স্যার শুনতে পাচ্ছি।
আমাকে স্ক্রিনটা ঠিকঠাক দেখতে পাচ্ছ?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
আমার কিন্তু ইয়ে স্টপ হয়ে গেছে, কিসের জন্য বুঝতে পারছি না। চেঞ্জ হয়ে গেছে। ওকে, এবার দেখতে পাচ্ছ? ওকে, দেখো, classification of organic compounds based on the structure. This is actually long chain, okay, but this is a cyclic. This is a straight chain, and this is a cyclic. Okay, it look like this. This is a cyclobutane. This is a butane. It is normal butane, but this is a cyclobutane. So our classification of organic compound based on the structure. Okay, so this is normal butane and this is cyclobutane. Okay, so organic compound can be written in this different way, but there is a total number of hydrogen is 3, 2, 2, 2, 3. That's mean 10, but here it is 8. So there is a 2 hydrogen is less in this air. So this is cyclobutane. So what is the difference between these two structures? What is the difference? N-butane is an open chain compound or straight chain compound. Open chain compound or straight chain compound. So in this way we can write so many compounds. Okay, like CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Now this compound we are unable to write in this way. This compound and this compound is not same. It is cyclopentane. But this is normal pentane. Okay, this is normal pentane. This is cyclopentane. So organic compounds, its first one is open chain, another is cyclic or closed chain compound. Okay, so organic compound is divided in, at first we can divide in these two way, open chain compounds and another is closed chain compounds. Okay, so aliphatic and open chain is aliphatic or acyclic, and this is cyclic or ring compounds. Okay, so closed chain it is cyclic or ring compounds, and open chain it is also known as aliphatic or alicyclic compound, and closed chain also may be aliphatic. Closed chain compound is also may be aliphatic, no problem. So open chain compound, that is aliphatic or acyclic compound, this is normal butane or only butane. Okay, this is branched, it is also chain. This is also chain. This is not closed chain, or this is not cyclic. Okay, this is also open chain. But what is the difference? This is normal butane. This is 1, 2, 3. That's mean propane, 2-methyl propane. Okay, so what is the name? 2-methyl propane or isobutane. This is normal name is isobutane, and 2-methyl butane there is a organization name, that's mean IUPAC name. Okay, International Union of Pure Applied Chemistry. Okay, Pure and Applied Chemistry, there is an organization. They are giving some clue and they are giving name. This will be the perfect name. Okay, and this is a normal name, isobutane, and this is actually 2-methyl propane. So what is the difference between these two structures? Only this is actually, one is normal butane is a straight chain compound, and isobutane is a branch chain compound. There is a branch. This is straight, then there is a branch. Okay. So organic compounds, it is open chain and closed chain. We already know this is branch chain, and this open chain compound is straight chain and branch chain also. Okay, this is the branched chain compound. So organic compound, open chain compounds can also be two types: straight chain. This is straight chain, and another is branch chain compound. Now this is a cyclic compound, closed chain compound or ring compound. We know this is the structure of benzene also. Yes, common name benzene. Okay, this is closed chain compound, or this is also cyclic. And this is this is pyridine because there is a nitrogen. I did not see. If, all are carbon hydrogen, this is benzene. If there is a nitrogen, then it is known as pyridine. Okay, it is known as pyridine. What is the difference between these two structures? One contains nitrogen. Okay, one contains nitrogen. Though both are organic compound, this is cyclic compound. Okay, so its first structure ring is made of carbon atom only, so it is homocyclic. Okay, all are carbon containing compound. It is all are carbon in a chain. So this is a homocyclic and this is a heterocyclic. Okay, this is heterocyclic. So homocyclic carbon compound and another is heterocyclic. Heterocyclic means carbon, 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 carbon. This is nitrogen. So another atom is there. So benzene is a homocyclic compound, but pyridine is a heterocyclic compound. So compound which include one or more heteroatom like oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, etc. in the ring of carbon compound. Okay. So this is known as heterocyclic compound. Is it okay? So homocyclic and heterocyclic both are cyclic, but if carbon-carbon chain is there, then it is homocyclic. But carbon, nitrogen, or carbon-hydrogen bond is there in a cyclic compound, then it is known as heterocyclic compound. Clear? So second structure of the nitrogen as a heteroatom in the ring of the carbon atom. So this is a heterocyclic compound. So pyridine is a heterocyclic compound. Open chain structure we already know, two types, and closed chains also. At first we divided in two types. Okay, this is homocyclic and heterocyclic. And homocyclic, this is homocyclic, though this is actually cyclohexane, this is benzene. Okay, cyclohexane, this is benzene. So both are homocyclic because there is no heteroatom. Other than carbon, there is no other carbon in chain. Okay. So in homocyclic compound, carbon atoms are linked by single bond only. Then the compound are known as acyclic compound. Okay. So cyclohexane is a acyclic compound. Clear? Acyclic. That's mean there is single bond. Okay. Homocyclic compound, carbon atoms are linked by single bond. Then it is known as acyclic. And if it is double bonded, then almost it is cyclic. Okay. So homocyclic compound contain the least one aromatic ring which resembles benzene. মানে এই রকম থাকবে বেনজিনের মতো বা বেনজিন থাকবে. So if homocyclic compounds contain at least one aromatic ring. Aromatic ring means like benzene ring, like this. If there is a carbon, so this is a benzene ring or this is aromatic ring. Okay, if attached with this. So if homocyclic compound contain at least one aromatic ring which resembles benzene in the chemical behavior, then those compounds are known as aromatic compounds. So aromatic compound কাদের হতে হবে? First of all, you should remember that if benzene ring is there, then it must be a aromatic compound. শুধু এটা জেনে রাখো, তারপরে aromatic এর উপরে একটা ক্লাস নিতে হবে আমাকে. ওকে, অনলি aromatic এর উপরে আমি একটা ক্লাস নেব তোমাদের, মনে থাকবে? So at first তোমরা শুধু জেনে রাখো এই benzene ringটা থাকলেই aromatic হবে. If any compound contains a benzene ring, it must be a organic and aromatic compound. Okay, benzene is an aromatic compound. Cyclohexane is a acyclic compound. So like this, homocyclic, that's mean alicyclic and aromatic compound. So alicyclic does not contain benzene ring, but aromatic compound contains aromatic benzene ring. Okay, this is aniline. This is aniline. This is aromatic compound is there, aromatic ring is there, benzene ring is there, so it is aromatic. Okay, this is aromatic, this is also aromatic, benzene ring is there. This is known as phenol, this is known as aniline.
শরীরটা গরম।
হ্যাঁ, বেদান্ত থেকে কি বলছো? ক্লিয়ার?
Yes, sir.
ওকে, homocyclic. Homocyclic means সবগুলো একই রকম থাকবে, aromatic but homocyclic, that's mean all are carbon compounds. Okay, দেখো, this is aromatic. Is it aromatic? Propone, There are so many types of compound is there. Tropolone, tropone, now, aromatic. এটা বেনজিনের মতো contain an aromatic rings other than benzene. দেখো বেনজিন এটার মধ্যে বেনজিন নেই কিন্তু এটা বেনজিনের মতো আর বাট ইট ইজ এ অ্যারোমেটিক। শুধু এটা মনে রাখো অ্যারোমেটিকের আমরা একটা ক্লাস নিব আলাদা করে। নন বেনজেনাইড কম্পাউন্ডস which does not have benzene ring, okay, it is known as non benzonated compound. So heterocyclic compounds, this is, it is cyclic, it is also heterocyclic, but it is not aromatic, okay. So allocyclic compound which contain at least one heteroatom, this is heteroatom, this is homo, but another different atom is there, that is oxygen, so it is heteroatom. So acyclic or alicyclic compounds which contain at least one heteroatom in the ring, okay. So hetero alicyclic compound, this is known as hetero alicyclic compound. তোমাদের বুঝতে অসুবিধা হলে বলবে, নয়তো আমি এটার ভিডিওটা পাঠাবো তোমাদের পরে, ওকে। কারণ অনেকেই লিখে সারতে পারছো না হয়তো, কারণ তোমাদের এক্সামটা চলে আসবে, তো আগে আমরা মোটামুটি একটা জায়গায় গিয়ে তারপরে আবার আমরা ডিটেইলসে পড়বো। So heterocyclic compounds, first furan, দেখো this is known as furan. চন্দ্রিমা তো চন্দ্রিমা,
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
হ্যাঁ তুমি বুঝতে পারছো তো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার, বুঝতে পারছি।
আমার এগুলো সব জানা আছে যদিও সব, হ্যাঁ না, কিন্তু আমি এবারে আজকে কার্বন কম্পাউন্ডটাকে জাস্ট শুরু করেছি, তো নেক্সট দিন আমাদের শুধু এমসিকিউ এর একটা মানে ক্লাস থাকে, সেটা এক ঘন্টা আমাদের এমসিকিউ ক্লাস হয়, আর এমসিকিউ আর বাকিটা আমাদের নলেজ বেস ক্লাস হয়, ঠিক আছে। তো আজকে আমি শুধু নলেজ বেস ক্লাসটাই নিচ্ছি, কারণ পুরো এটার উপরে এমসিকিউ করতে গেলে আমাকে আগে নলেজটাকে সবাইকে দিতে হবে আগে, কারণ এরা কেউ পড়ে না, আগে নলেজ বেসটা আগে দেখে ঝট করে, কারণ ক্লাস 11টা অনেকেই ভুলেও যায়। তোমার তো সব পড়া আছে তো একবার?
আছেই।
হ্যাঁ এগুলো সব পড়া আছে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার, পড়া আছে। হ্যাঁ পড়া আছে।
ঠিক আছে, আরেকবার ঝট করে দেখে নাও, তাহলে সুবিধা হবে।
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
heteroaromatic compounds, heteroaromatic compounds, দেখো this is heteroaromatic compound. It is look like a benzene ring, but there is a heteroatom, okay, look like a benzene ring, but it contains also heteroatom. So heteroaromatic compound, this is known as heteroaromatic compound. Picoline, okay, this is known as picoline. It is name, it is common name, it is not IUPAC name, okay. So benzenoid compound, benzene like actually. What is this? Azocine, এই কম্পাউন্ড গুলো টুকে রাখো, হ্যাঁ এই কম্পাউন্ড গুলো বইতে নেই, মানে নরমাল বইগুলোতে নেই, অ্যারোমেটিক যে হবে সেটার জন্য এইটা নরমাল বইগুলোতে নেই। পিকোলিন, অ্যাজোসিন, ওকে, ঝট করে টুকে রাখো। নন বেনজেনয়েড কম্পাউন্ড, এটা বেনজিনের মতো নয়, এটা বেনজিনের মতো, এই জন্য বেনজিনয়েড বলছি এটাকে, আর ইট ইজ নন বেনজেনয়েড, ওকে, and it is also not a aromatic, this is aromatic compound, okay. So heteroaromatic compounds, একটা কি বললাম বেনজিনয়েড আর একটা নন বেনজিনয়েড, এটা বেনজিনের মতো চেহারা নেই, ঠিক আছে, clear, and there is a nitrogen, so it is hetero compound, clear। এবার দেখো অর্গানিক কম্পাউন্ডস, এখানে আমাদের ওপেন চেইন ছিল আর ক্লোজ চেইন ছিল, এবারে সেইগুলো আবার ছোট ছোট করে লিখছি আমরা। দেখো ওপেন চেইন, স্ট্রেট চেইন এন্ড ব্রাঞ্চ চেইন হয়ে গেছে। ক্লোজ চেইনের মধ্যে আমরা কি কি দেখেছিলাম? হোমোসাইক্লিক এন্ড হেটেরোসাইক্লিক দেখেছিলাম, তাই না? তারপর হোমোসাইক্লিকের মধ্যে কি কি দেখেছিলাম? অ্যালিসাইক্লিক আর একটা অ্যারোমেটিক দেখেছিলাম, তাই তো? অ্যারোমেটিকের মধ্যে আবার বেনজেনয়েড, নন বেনজেনয়েড দেখেছিলাম, আর হেটেরোসাইক্লিকের মধ্যেও হেটারো অ্যালিসাইক্লিক and hetero aromatic ঠিক আছে বুঝেছো এটা স্ক্রিনশট নিয়ে রাখবে এই লাস্ট ছকটা যে লাস্ট যে এটা হলো এই যে ব্রাঞ্চটা হলো এটার একটা স্ক্রিনশট আগে নিয়ে রাখো ঠিক আছে বেনজেনাইট নন বেনজেনাইট ঠিক আছে তাহলে এত ভাগে আমরা ভাগ করে নিলাম সো অর্গানিক কম্পাউন্ডস ফার্স্ট ইজ ওপেন চেন ক্লোজ চেন ওপেন চেন ইজ স্ট্রেট চেন ব্রাঞ্চ চেন ক্লোজ চেন means homocyclic heterocyclic homocyclic means alicyclic aromatic and heterocyclic means heteroalicyclic heteroaromatic aromatics compounds contains benzenoid aromatic non-benzenoid aromatic and heteroaromatic means benzenoid and non-benzenoid is it okay screenshot নিয়ে রেখেছো এই চারটাকে খাতায় ঢুকে রাখবে clear then give the class of the following compound based on that structure bolo konta ki structure name this is actually branch chain okay and it is known as isobutane or it is 2-methyl butane okay it is isobutane or 2-methyl butane okay class of compound this is branch chain compound yes this is branch chain compound clear branch chain clear this is structure this is also hetero cyclic compound and it is pyridine it is aromatic so class of compound closed chain at first it is closed chain hetero okay তাহলে এটা হেটারো অ্যারোমেটিক কম্পাউন্ড হলো and it is what is this actually benzenoid compound okay this is benzenoid clear this is benzenoid then this is structure it is cyclic and it is homocyclic it is known as naphthalene do you know this is naphthalene এবারে এটাকে আমরা কিভাবে বলতে পারি দেখো what is this naphthalene because this is a carbon okay this is carbon this is carbon this is carbon this is carbon all are carbon this is 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 carbon and this is carbon and what is the ring here why this is ring this is actually like this see it like this is benzene and this double bond if we are not determined which position in this position or in this position or in this position in this position then we can write in this way so this double bond these three double bond we can write in this way okay if we not fix the bond in its position then we can write in this way so there is a 10 carbon okay 1 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 okay so this is a structure of naphthalene this is the structure of naphthalene and it is closed chain it is homocyclic okay closed chain homocyclic and there is a 2 benzene like structure so benzenoid okay so homocyclic it is aromatic compound and benzenoid okay this is benzenoid এভাবে আমরা আইডেন্টিফাই করতে পারবো তো it is closed chain compound, it is homocyclic compound, it is aromatic, and it is benzenoid. Because why it is aromatic? Because it contains benzene type structure. This is tropone. Okay, this is also closed chain. This is also closed chain compound, and this is homocyclic. Why it is homocyclic? Why not? It's heterocyclic, though it contains oxygen. This is oxygen, but this oxygen outside of the ring. Okay, this oxygen, it attached with the outside of the ring. Okay, it is where it is outside of the ring. It is not in the ring. Okay, so closed chain compound, it is homocyclic compound. Clear? It is homocyclic compound. It is aromatic, and it is not benzenoid. Okay, it is not benzenoid because this is not the benzene ring structure. It is not the benzene ring structure. So non-benzenoid. Okay, this compound is non-benzenoid. In this way, we should identify the compound. This is also non-benzenoid, but it is heterocyclic. This is heterocyclic. Okay. This is closed chain compound. This is heteroaromatic compound. It is non-benzenoid. Clear? This is non-benzenoid because there is no benzene ring. This is cyclic, heterocyclic, but there is no alternating double bond, so it is not benzene. Okay, so it is heterocyclic, closed chain, of course closed chain. Okay, heterocyclic, and it is heterocyclic. That's why it is heteroalicyclic because there is no double bond. Okay, and it is not contains any benzene type of structure. If there is a double bond, then if there is another double bond, if there is another double, if there is a double bond, then it will be benzene like structure. Okay, but since there is no double bond, so it is piperidine. It is heteroalicyclic and it is closed chain. It is not aromatic. This is aromatic. This is cyclic. Benzene ring is there, and it is known as toluene. Okay, it is known as toluene. So it is closed chain compound. There is a closed chain. This is aromatic and homocyclic. Okay, this is aromatic homocyclic compound. This is known as, it is benzenoid. Of course, benzenoid. There is a benzene ring directly attached with benzene ring. This is furan. This is heterocyclic. This is heterocyclic. It is not benzenoid. It is heterocyclic. This is aromatic. This is also aromatic. Closed chain compound, heteroaromatic compound, and it is not benzenoid. It is not benzenoid. Okay, non-benzenoid structure is there. And this is heterocyclic. Why it is heterocyclic? Because carbon, carbon, oxygen, carbon, carbon. Okay. Homologous series. What is homologous series? Successive member of series differ from each other by methylene group. Okay. For example, a series of alkane, that is methane. Now there is a CH2. Now if we attach here another CH2, then it will be extended series. So if we attach another CH2, then methane to ethane. Okay, another CH2 if we attach here, this is propane, this is alkane. Okay, so overall this series is known as alkane series. So successive member of the series differ from each other by methylene group. That's in CH2 group. It is known as homologous series. And this is alkane series because all are single bonded compound or a single bonded compound, because if there is a methane, then there is a hydrogen. Okay, this is hydrogen, this is hydrogen, this is hydrogen, this is hydrogen. Clear? কে বেরোলো? কে বেরিয়ে যাবে না, এখনই কেটে যাবে, আবার অন হবে। দেখো ক্যারেক্টারিস্টিক অফ হোমোলোগাস সিরিজ, এই ক্যারেক্টারিস্টিক আছে, আমরা জানি যে it differ by CH2, okay, and mass will be increased 14 units, because carbon, if CH2 increase, that means carbon 14 gram, and hydrogen, there is 2 hydrogen, that's 2 gram. So molecular mass will be increased by 14 units. So homologous series can be prepared by similar chemical method. Also some chemical method we can use, and we can prepare the homologous series by similar chemical method also. Okay, and it contains similar functional group or same functional group. Homologous series can be represented by the same general formula.